Hello, I'm gonna discuss about EPIRB, which stands for Emergency Position Indicating Radio Beacon. Its standard frequency of a modern model is 406 MHz. It's mobile radio communication service which aids search and rescue. It sends the message about ship's name, ship's position, and the MMSI and etc. That messages goes to satellite and then passes through the Earth station, which includes local user terminal, missions control center, and rescue coordination center. The center should be nearest center from the position where the ship sank or incident had the incident. Because of the golden day, which first 24 hours following a traumatic event. So the faster the rescue depart, the more successful for the rescuing people in incidents. So how to use the EPIRB? When the vessel sink or had an incident, the HRU will operate, which the HRU stands for Hydrostatic Release Unit, and then EPIRB will float onto the surface of the sea, and then it will operate automatically, or you can use manually if the ship doesn't sink but you need the help. Thank you for watching video.